case in point. She ain't bad. She ain't no big Shirley. She gonna turn the bottom of the bucket and check you out. Oh snap, dude. She turned the bucket. She do. She do. Let's go ahead and put this hook out your mouth. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. It's windy out here. Today is another one of these days that end in wow! So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It's Drysdale. I'm out here fishing with T. Bush, aka Hookset. And we are not on the Crappie salt vehicle, as you can see. We are on showtime. What you gotta say to the folks, man? What you gotta say to the folks?
So, I was out here trying to put the pieces of the puzzle together to see what they want to do. You see how I did that? Pieces of the puzzle. You see how I did that? And right now,
why are you showing the people your legs, man? What's up with that?
Hey man, this is my clean, lucky socks.
This is a clean spin.
Not so lucky for the fish though, baby. See what I do? My lucky socks. See? It ain't big, but
she won.
She won.
Look at that,
look at this little gorgeous little thing. You're so precious.
So folks, we ain't trying to catch a bunch of these today. We're trying to catch some of these Oconee slabs. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. Hey folks, remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave me a comment.
Anthony C. I met you last night at Bass Pro.
Anthony C.
Anthony C. S-E-A-Y. C. Drysdale.
What's happening, Ant?
He's a subscriber.
Oh, yeah, well, there you go. Hey, man, appreciate you subscribing. Anthony C. Shout out to you, brother.
And Drysdale, you gotta get with Drysdale, shoot him a hook up. I'm gonna send you his number, everything, so you can get on the boat with him on his Crappie salt vehicle and go fishing.
Let's go get him!
Yeah, let me get one of them, things like Kevin. See what I did? Boom! Y'all done see me miss 3 fish at the boat.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. It's flashing.
Oh, okay. We're good.
So, they're my shimmies that I'm doing. I don't do that little soft little.
You don't need no shimmies for missing. You don't do shimmies for missing. You do shimmies. Well, I guess, hey, you do a shimmy for what you want.
Oh, that's a skirt?
Yeah, that's a skirt. The shimmies are when you get hung in a tree and you set the hook like it's a fish.
On it. I gave y'all some free shimmies.
Oh yeah, you got some on credit now, huh?
Eat it. Yeah, eat it, baby. Eat it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your daggone mouth. Hard putter in the mouth, baby. That's what I do. That's what I do. My pimp hands stay strong. Yup, I knew I was gonna get you playing with me. What do you think you playing with? This little dude going back, but see, they keep trying to play with me. I keep a strong pimp hand. Just y'all know that. Figured that jig was going by with that split shot on it. A little bit too fast for him. Yeah, I'm a little rough. Gotta keep your foot down.
Can you see all the fish we got?
Looks like the boat's a little bit lower, so I know you got something.
Yeah, we got about 50 pounds of fish. How much do those drones cost, like you got?
Hey, you don't want them. He didn't put two in the lake that I know of.
One on his boat and one on his boat.
He just mentioned the one on his boat.
Yeah.
He said it went in the water. I said, he got it back. He said, oh no.
It's still down there. They're about $800, $700-800. So
Cameras and all that stuff.
it hurts. I won't do that again.
Well, it's a $700 mistake, wasn't it?
Not a $700 mistake, it's a $700 lesson.
You know, it's all in the wording.
There you go.
Y'all might as well fish somewhere else. We done caught all these. Yeah, all these are gone.
I ain't got started yet.
I noticed that. You back here with your hand in your mouth. You need to quit.
Hey folks, just so y'all know who's saying that.
I didn't know you had it on.
That ain't what we want. Unless it's gonna be 4 or 5 pounds. You ain't missed that one. You ain't missed that one.
See here though. She ain't big, but she won. Yo, not here now. Get. Y'all see her come right back.
Boy, Tony Bush. If you do it right, put it fall.
About 10.5 inches. About 10.5 inches. Looks like I was catching around the bucket. Fish I done caught on the pump bait. On the pump bait. YouTube, they hitting the pump fake on us. She gonna make it too. Turn the bottom of the bucket. Yes, she does.
Gonna do that. The little butt. Oh, look at those. Look at the preschooler. Look at the.
No, that right there just off. Mama just not getting off maternity ward, going back to work. eternally re-wrapped. Look at the baby, folks. Look at the baby. Ain't she cute? They're fun to catch, but they don't taste so well. I guess they do taste good, but they ain't big enough to do the work to get the meat you're gonna get off of. They call that diminishing returns.
Put them back.
Swing and a miss.
And that's a skirt. And I keep shaking my.
You keep shimmying on them. So, is your name in the Jeffrey Epstein files? Mess around with these kids.
Let us see here, folks.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby. On out of here now, kid. No worries.
Oh, that's a good fish. Is it? Feel like a good fish. That's on a skittle, ladies and gentlemen. In the bottom of the mouth. Look at that. In the hard part on the bottom. That was a first for me. I need a cigarette. What you think?
Neighbors ain't bougie, like boss.
Neighbors ain't bougie. That was pretty, I ain't ripping your leg, man. Put this towel right here.
You ain't in the, I'm not out that far. I'm in them. Told you.
That was your line on mine?
Told you I was in. Uh-oh. I'm about to say, which one of us got this fish? I do.
Now that you threw my line out of his mouth.
There was a spit on me. Ooh, that's ugly. I can check this out. Whoa, all daggone day. And now I got the shimmy. Man, oh man. Well, bound to get one of them today. Bound to get one of them. I should have took one from Bush. He got a bunch of them on credit. Borrowed one from you.
Slap your peppy. So he always want to show out. Ain't nobody come to see you, Otis.
Oh, my bad. Splash the water was on you. She ain't the biggest one, but she. We're gonna let her grow. Let her grow. We got some fish in the bucket, folks. So, all right, YouTube, that is gonna wrap up another one of these episodes of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. What you got to say, Hookset? What you got to say? I ain't gonna call you Bush.
Well, the pieces of the puzzle gonna be figured out when I get my boat into service. It's crazy, you know, they say that old saying of if you have talents like singing or something like that, and if you don't use it, you lose it. Well, my boat been in the garage for a minute, and I got some stuff that happened. Didn't know how it happened because it was working when I had it working, and now it ain't working. So mystery. But anyway, still was a good day. Weather worked out good. A little chilly in the morning, but that's part of the fall weather coming in. I had some fun. Back-to-back episodes. My pimp hand's still strong though, but you know.
That pimp hand is strong as that hook set.
Man, but that 64 ounce jig, yo, I'm gonna be doing a lot more of that. That was interesting.
That Skittle, boy, that Skittle.
And that's a 64th with a number
164.
A 1/64th with a size 8 hook. So that hook is small. But you know, I'm here. I appreciate it. I'll be back. I'll be back with a vengeance, baby.
So folks,
I can't get whooped.
Oh, well, you didn't get whooped. Yeah.
No, I didn't get whooped, but still.
It was a good day. You just got to get this together. Figure out what's happening with all this.
My monitor worked though. Perfect.
Yes, it did. Yes, it did. So folks, as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who hits that like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Hookset.
Peace. Catching later.
Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace. Holla at y'all. Be good.